Hi everyone, in this video we will be going to understand what is a data warehouse, what are its process and what are its uses. So let's get started. So a data warehouse is a process for collecting and managing data from varied sources to provide meaningful business insights. A data warehouse is typically used to connect and analyze business data from heterogeneous sources. The data warehouse is the core of business intelligence system which is used to build for data analysis and reporting. It is a blend of technologies and components which aids the strategic use of data. It is electronic storage of large amount of data for information by business which is designed for query and analysis instead of transaction processing. It is a process of transforming data into information and making it available to users in timely manner to make a difference. In this video, we will be going to learn about what are the different types of data warehouses, how a data warehouse functions, and what are its uses. So let's get started. So a data warehouse is typically known as some other names like decision support system, executive information system, management information system, business intelligence solution, analytical application, and a data warehouse itself. Now let's understand how a data warehouse functions. So a data warehouse works as a central repository where information arrives from one or more data source. The data flows into data warehouse from a transactional system and other relational databases. The data may be structured, semi-structured or unstructured. The data is processed, transformed and ingested so that it can be used to access the processed data in data warehouse through some business intelligence tools, SQL, spreadsheets, etc. A data warehouse merges the information coming from different sources into one comprehensive database. By merging all this information at one place, the organization can analyze its customers' data historically, which helps to ensure the information that is available is more informative. Data warehousing makes data mining possible. Data mining is basically looking the patterns which is present in the data which can be used for making other business decisions. Now let's understand some different types of data warehouses. So there are typically three types of data warehouse. First is the enterprise data warehouse EDW, which is a centralized warehouse. It provides decision support service across the enterprise. It offers a unified approach for organizing and representing data. It also provides the ability to classify data according to the subject and give access to according to the division. The next is the operational data store. The operational data store is also known as ODS. It is a data store which is required when neither data warehouse nor OLTP system support the organization's reporting needs. In an ODS, data warehouse is refreshed in real time. Hence, it is widely preferred for routine activities like storing, recording the data of the daily routine activities. The next is the operational data, the next is the data mart. So, a data mart is a subset of data warehouse. It is typically designed for particular line of business such as sales, finance, or marketing. It is an independent collection of data which directly collects data from its sources. Now let's understand who needs a data warehouse. So a data warehouse is needed by following types of users: the decision makers who rely on mass amount of data, the users who can use customized complex processes to obtain information from multiple sources. It is also used by people who want simple technology to access data. It is an essential for those who want systematic approach for decision making. If the users want fast performance on huge amount of data which is necessary for reports, grids or charts, then data warehouse proves to be useful. A data warehouse is the first step if you want to discover hidden patterns of data flows or grouping. So that's all in this video. I hope you would like this video and you would have learned something new. If you like our videos, do subscribe to our channel and share these videos with your friends and your classmates so that they can also learn. Thanks for watching and happy learning.